So this video it's about the pliers in EDC carry. I saw few posts about carrying about people carrying near a victorinox pocket knife. They are carrying usually a cobra Knipex, a Knipex cobra, usually the smaller one, the extra small one. In order to compensate for missing pliers or having very bad pliers from the pocket knives from Victorinox. In my opinion, this cobra thing doesn't replace a multi-tool plier because a multi-tool plier have some extra functions, and I'll show you. Let me put you a smaller multi-tool so you will not freak out. Yeah, so this is the pliers from a rebar. So what you have extra, you don't have here, you don't have the capability to cut wires and cables, which is very used in my case. Also on the multi-tool pliers you have a needle nose shape of the plier, so you can pick up things from a very tight space. And even, for example, if you take out the bit extender and you put the ratchet driver here, or the bit extender, and you take out another tool from here, you can extend this handles so you can pick up things from a very tight spaces and deep spaces. Yeah, so you can put it, you can reach very further away from, like, compare with this. Also, when you pick up things from tight spaces, you can put a light and you can see actually what you are working with. So when you have this inside of the tight spaces, you actually have a light there without the need to keep it in with the other hand or your mouth or something like that. I will do a video about this kind of solution. So these two are very good tools, I think in their class they are the best, but they cannot replace the pliers from a multi-tool. If you like Victorinox a lot, you can buy their multi-tool. This is the Spirit, is the multi-tool my wife is using. So you have something very similar with the pocket knife, with the Victorinox pocket knife, but also you have pliers, which they are doing most of what I said that they have extra. I think these are very good tools. I am carrying something else, but I see that people are carrying either this or they carry a lot of extra tools, and I will talk about that in a moment. But what do you think? Do you think it's better to have a multi-tool with a dedicated plier with the extra capabilities, or these two tools? Tell me in the comments what you think. When you have a multi-tool, also I see a lot of people carrying extra things. Yeah, so even the companies who are doing multi-tools, they give you extra things. So for example, my wife's multi-tool have this, which is a ratchet and an extension driver, some bits, and a corkscrew. I see people are carrying, for example, small tool sets like these two, plus some screwdriver bits and the ratchet. I have this one, yeah. They carry a pen or a Sharpie, especially if they are American, and the light. And if you want to work with cables and wires, you also have to carry. Okay, other thing I forget to mention, they will carry foldable knife. I don't have a foldable knife, but I will put this pocket knife. If you want to carry to work with the cables and to have the needle nose capacity, you can use a small plier like this to add it to your toolbox, mini toolbox. Or if you can afford it, a more high-end, more professional one, like this, for example. Yeah. So now you have a toolbox which is definitely way more capable than a multi-tool, but it's way more heavy. You have to carry this in a pouch, and you will definitely not carry this on your waist. On the belt, you will carry it probably in a bag or in a backpack or something. I designed a few things which you can find in on my YouTube channel. For example, if you carry a multi-tool, this multi-tool, for example, you can have a small micro toolbox with you. Yeah, this is called Surge Companion. You can have a flashlight in it. You can have the ratchet, screwdriver. You can have the Leatherman bits, which are not so great. They are very soft, but you have it if you work in a pinch. You have file, saw blades, tweezers, what victorinox have, needles, even a pen. Yeah, so you have most of what you saw before, whatever it was, that big tool bunch, in these two things, which I think is very convenient. What do you think? Would you carry this or a full box? Yeah, full mini box with all these tools, with the cobra and everything. Personally, I carry this one, which is called the Little Bastard, because it's a combination between a Leatherman and the Victorinox, and it's also have a few bits, screwdriver bits on the scale. It's have a saw blade. This one is for metal. It's have tweezers, a fire steel, a pen. So it's have everything what you'll have in the big box. It doesn't have a ratchet, but I usually carry a ratchet with it. Also, I carry, when I have my man purse with me, I have a Rovivon light, which is attached here. But I usually, most of the time, I'm using the light from this watch. It's not very powerful, but it's enough to see where you are going, what are you doing. You don't break your hold on, I cannot center it. You don't break your toes in some furniture thing and things like this. So for me, it's what you see here. What you will prefer? Let me center. What you will prefer? You will prefer a small toolbox, a small tool, which is have a lot of things inside. You will prefer a dedicated tool, a multi-tool, sorry, with some extras, or you prefer a micro toolbox in a pouch somewhere with all the things. Tell me in the comments, and maybe in this way we can all learn something from this video. See you. Bye.